Alright, so what I have for you today is the Ruko DP2. It's just like the Garant 10, but instead of 10 half sliders, it's only got 4. Featuring all homemade picks from 2 different people, actually. Okay, so this slider here is kind of annoying, and we might get the slider to work out for him. Alright, so that slider fork was just to check that I get that slider to the right spot. And I don't really need it after that too much. I just gotta bring his match up to him at the same spot. And then these two back here can go up together like that, and then we gotta get just the front one up an extra click like that. And then you saw me get some core movement there, which means the sidebar is set. Pins 1 and 2 are both set. I've got a single barrel hung up somewhere. There we go. Argue with those barrels for a little bit. If it's bright out, I don't need to get the slider fork out. I can just visually jiggle test the first one. The slider track in this is such an easy slider track. Put my tools back in my tool bag so I don't forget them to work tomorrow because I'll be pissed and bored. Alright. Now one thing I would just like to point out real quick before I got this lock. So I got this pick made by DNR. It's beautiful. The whole thing is beautiful. It's amazing. But then what does he do with the leftover resin? He sends it to you in a nice little cup. It's my new coaster. So with a burn flag and a DNR pick, this lock was picked. Oh, here, look. Let me show you this is picked, locked. I'm super up on my barrel game right now. Alright. Alright. This thing has a cute little sidebar. Just a cute little guy right there. Such a cute little sidebar. And these are unsprung sliders. So here we go. R1. And 2. And 3. and 4. I don't know if you can see the false gates on those. Not really. But I don't think you're really going to be able to, even if I show them to you up close. We will. Okay, so let's start with milling right here. As you can see, it's got barrel milling on both sides. One chamber is a little bit worn, it looks like. Number 2, but it doesn't even, that barrel starts in the milling anyway. Or it starts pretty much set anyway. So there's that. So that's the milling. Then we'll show you the housing here with the sidebar groove. Normal Ruko housing. Then we'll show you the sidebar here. It's not cut or anything. Good sidebar. And then we'll just show you all the pins. Up close. And the sliders, I guess I could show you individually, but it's going to be a pain in the butt, but whatever. Each half slider has ball skates. That's 4. That's 3. That's 2. And that's 1. There we go.